Temperature is gradually raised, monitored by laser sensors to prepare the resin matrix for the ALQ-99 pod shell structure. The system automatically grades the composite sheeting, utilizing digital projections to define optimal cuts for the primary pod shell.
The separation protocols are strictly maintained here in Process A.
And we ensure the same level of security for the electronic systems in Process B.
As the massive ALQ-99 mandrel rotates into position, thermal sensors confirm the precise preheat.
This critical step ensures the structural robustness necessary for the mission requirements of the A-18G Growler.
The ALQ-99 Jamming Pod requires flawless components. After high magnification
These micro-instrument components, destined for the ALQ-99 pod, undergo rigorous validation. Defective parts
Confirming all preparatory steps for the electronic warfare systems are finalized. We are ready for Process A transfer.
The compacted ALQ-99 pod shell is loaded onto the transport carriage. Robotic guides secure the
Check the pressure lines. Lines are secure. Clear the area, initiating sequence.
The fully completed ALQ-99 pod shell is carefully transferred by an automated guided vehicle.
As the boards pass through the reflow oven, the solder paste melts and solidifies under precise temperature control, ensuring submerged in the automated bath, these waveguides receive a microscopic layer of high-purity gold, essential for the ALQ-99 jamming pods. The robotic arm secures the metallic fluid lines, ensuring efficient thermal transfer. This cooling system is critical.
Process B sign-off complete, EW core transferred.
Confirmed. Moving to assembly stage.
The physical unification of two distinct products, requiring immense mechanical control as the core slides into the tapered cylindrical structure.
Convoy 87 cleared for final approach to Hangar 3.
Running the system check now. And we have full functionality confirmed post-transit. Check the forward mounts. Are we clear?
Yes, clearance is nominal. Proceed.
The ALQ-99 pod is carefully raised by the hydraulic lift, ensuring precise alignment with the Growler's pylon.
ALQ-99 Jamming Pod is actively transmitting. High power electro warfare system core, product B.
The Growler returns, the ALQ-99 pod, proving its resilience throughout the demanding mission cycle.
Thermal scan complete on the ALQ-99. No anomalies detected on the shell or the EW core. Everything is nominal.